Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Oh, zoo. Let's go to the zoo today. Zoo, zoo, zoo. Zip, zip, zip. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Let's try to identify the initial sound of zoo. Zoo, z, zoo. What is the initial sound of zip? Z, zip. What is the initial sound of zebra? Z, zebra. Now, let's try to write z sound. Bismillah. Across, slash down, across. Now please make with Play-Doh and in sand tray. Let's identify the pictures that starts with z sound. Web, z web, no. Z zip, yes it is. Z X-ray, it is X-ray of fish. No, it is not. Start with z sound. Zoo, yes it is. Moon, no. Then please join zip and zoo with the z sound.
See you later with the next letter, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.